Hi, in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at managing suppliers and creating purchase orders from Camis. So to manage a supplier, all you need to do is to click on the Manage Supplier icon on the home screen or select it from the toolbar at the top. When the supplier screen opens, you can automatically see it goes into find mode like all the other modules. And to search for a supplier, all you need to do is to put some information into one or more of these fields and then press enter or just click the search button at the top. Supplier record loads and you can automatically see it's in edit mode, and if you want to change some of the details you can just do so, and when you're done just click save to save the record. You can also define events for your supplier. So for instance, this might be useful if a customer called to tell you that they'd moved and you just wanted to make a note of it. And then when you're done, just click save. It puts it in the event list. And then just save the supplier record. You can delete a supplier if you wish, but you need to make sure that any purchase orders for that supplier are also deleted as well. A new supplier can be added just by clicking the new button. And if you just fill in the details as shown, put in phone number, and then all you need to do then is just put a main contact. And then when you're done, just click save. And Camis will automatically generate a new supplier code for you. And we can use this supplier, or indeed any other supplier, to create a purchase order. Purchases can be found on the link menu at the top, or on the home screen. And again with the supplier screen, the screen opens up in find mode. And if you wish to find an existing purchase order, you can just put some information into one of the fields. If multiple matches are found, you can just browse through each of the records just by clicking on the item in the list. To create a new purchase order is very simple. Just click the new button, put in a quotation reference if you have one, requisition ref if you use requisitions in your company. You can just find a supplier that's already on the system. So for instance, if we wanted to use a supplier we've just created, you can just do a little search on the name. You can specify the delivery address for your order, and Camis gives you three options here. One for the company address that you have in the admin section, your own company, a customer address, and another address which you can specify yourself. You can just fill in the details of your purchase order, put unit price. If you want to create a new item on your purchase order, just click new item. And then fill in the details shown. And when you're happy with your purchase order, you can just click save. Camis checks to make sure that all the fields are filled in. And then once you've saved, you can see that Camis has generated a new purchase order number for you. And if you like to print that purchase order, just click the button print purchase order. And Camis will open up a new window and display your purchase order on the screen. You can print directly to the printer, or you can export it to a file format of your choosing. If you wish to book in a purchase order, you can just click the Book In button, and Camis displays this purchase receipts dialog. If you just select the item you wish to book in, you can put in a quantity to receipt. You can do this with multiple items on the order. And then when you're done, just click Book In. And Camis will create receipts for each of your items. And it will also update the quantity outstanding for your order to reflect the items that you've just booked in. It's possible to repeat an order. So for instance, if I just wanted to duplicate this entire order, I can just click Repeat. And then when I'm done, I can modify any information I like and just click Save. And Camis creates a new purchase order with that number, with all the details copied from your old purchase order. You can create events for your purchase order. In much the way you can do with suppliers, and you just click Save. And then once you're done, just save your record. Camis allows you to put more details for each of your items, and if you just click on the three dots here, it allows you to select a cost center, which you can define in the admin section, or you can reference this item to a sales order. If you just put a valid sales order number, an item number in there, Camis will look up the details, and this is useful for tracking costs. And that completes our tour of purchase orders and suppliers.